talking about drawings, there is also a new feature related to drawings here at CYPECAD. For example, when we usually print a frames drawing, okay, I selected here one for one of the floors of this building. We have this kind of drawings here. Okay, so these drawings with some spaces between elements here, and usually these sections here, they are represented here in the top of the beam, and then we have the section itself and the stirrups here under the main section. Okay, so for example, if we have like different sections like in this beam, we have one combination here and one combination here. In some situations like this, maybe it's not the best distribution of the drawings in the layout, because maybe it's too near to the borders, or then we need to change these parameters in outside of CypeCAD using any CAD editor. Okay, so we created an option to personalize this and change the position of these stirrups, and also reduce the spaces between elements here when it's possible. I think in this project it's not gonna be possible because everything here is very optimized. But let's take a look. So when we create here a frames composition, or drawings that are frames drawing, there are options here for configurations, extra configurations. And here in the stirrups options, now we have this option here. We have the option to don't detail the stirrups, or detail below the section. That was the case that I showed to you. And we have this option here that is to the right of the section. Okay. And another feature is also here in the general options, where you can also reduce the spacing between drawings elements, and then you can have try to have more space in your drawings. Okay, so let's accept. Let's generate again. Let's just take a look at what happens here. And as you can see here, yes, we have a better distribution here in this case. Okay, so you can see that the stirrups are here, or in this case are here. Okay, some of these documents were bigger layouts. Now we have like smaller pages here. So some of them were A2. Now we have some of them that are A3. So because the information was optimized here, and yeah, it's a little bit how it works. So now you can personalize it. You don't have to export it to DWG and change it manually in another software. You just can use it here in this option here, and it will be generated for you automatically according to these settings too. Okay.